Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of cases. I worked for IRS for 10 years, and I've been in private tax defense. I usually have a hard time getting that. I don't know. For the last 41 years, welcome to my home office here. I used to have offices all my life. COVID happened. I decided, hey, this is really pretty cool here. Anyway, I've been on all the national news stations, and I really give you my YouTubes based on a lot of questions you ask when you hit me, because you've seen me really on YouTube. So one of the questions I recently got is there a way to apply for an IRS tax hardship? It's a great question. By the way, if you need to contact me, ask questions, I try to get to the people I can, as I get a lot of questions, and I pick one or two out and try to make YouTubes on them. And you don't really apply for hardship. What happens is, if you have an IRS tax bill and you can't pay it, when you call IRS, the agent will say, okay, what's the story? What do you want to do about the tax? At that point in time, you could say, well, I'm experiencing a hardship really in life, not just in taxes. It's really not a tax hardship, it's a life hardship. And then at that point in time, that agent will go ahead and take, usually if you're calling the 1-800 number, a Form 433F. Download it. It's an IRS Form 433F. Really simple. It's 2 pages. Boom. They will take it. They may ask for some documentation, sometimes pay stubs. They may ask for a bank statement, something like, just to confirm your income and expenses and your asset base. And then at that point, they say, you really can't pay the tax, so we're going to put you really into a currently non-collectible status. The key word there is currently non-collectible status. Why is that so very important? You don't go into hardship forever. IRS keeps you there for a couple years. The IRS algorithm at some point kicks the case out to review. Why would they do that? Well, maybe your income has increased. That's usually a good one, because they track your adjusted gross income, and they just know it's time for you to go ahead and have another look. Or if you don't file more returns or you owe more money, IRS will kick this case out and then start applying pressure. So remember, you don't apply for a hardship. When you call IRS, that person picks up the phone, they will place you either into a currently non-collectible hardship or a payment plan. Anyway, this is what I do for a living. We work larger cases. I answer my own phone all the time. Just so you know, you can just text me, email. I try to get back to you as I can. We're available for representation, like I said, on higher dollar value cases. Anyway, thank you so much for listening today. Give me a subscription. I try to give you the information you like, and share me if someone's going through an IRS problem. I've been doing this a long time. Thank you so very much. I appreciate your ear today, and thank you for the subscription.